The parents should be very careful. We are in an era of fitnah, where the youngsters are exposed to haram on their PDAs, which unfortunately are shoved down our throats due to education. So even your 8 or 9 years old child insists on having an iPad or a tablet to do his homework. And we know what entails in this, what's included in the package. So you get YouTube, you get social media, Instagram, Snapchats, etc., and all the filth that comes along with it, unfortunately. And this is very dangerous and alarming, because children at a very early age are exposed to things that we as adults and grown-ups might not be aware of. And they have more knowledge than when we were their age. So you have to be careful, even with the same gender, by the way. Don't simply let your child play with his cousins just because they're all boys, not knowing what might happen. And unfortunately, many sad things happen. And in this era of LGBTQ, XYW, they would come and justify things. Let the child come out of the closet. The child is experiencing his own identity, his true reality, etc., blah, blah, all this nonsense and filth that the disbelievers trying to shove down the throats of not only the Muslims, but their own people as well. And this is very unfortunate. When you see these attempts and these plots being tailor-made for their countries and for their people, and this is something for their own people to take care of. And they are. The people, normal, natural people are alarmed by what's happening in schools, by what's happening in the media, like Disney and other entertainment companies, who are systematically inserting and involving people unwillingly, against their will, in such plots and filth. May Allah protect us. I'm talking about our countries, about our Muslim societies and communities. We have to build a strong, solid wall against these attempts. And you have to be careful about your own children. Don't let them unsupervised. Don't, just for the sake of having an hour without headaches or supervision, leave them do whatever they want, and maybe catastrophes, may Allah protect them all, might take place. Don't say it's their cousins, I trust them, or even their uncles, they're the same age, I trust them. No, we have trust, but at the same time, it's important to be careful as well, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.